is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is feeling fantastic today. Guys, I'm just leaving this gas station. I stopped to get breakfast on the go actually. Today is I don't know. So first of all, I hope you guys enjoyed the holidays and all of that stuff. So as it's the new year 2024, I would like to wish you guys all the very best. This is when you guys will be watching this vlog, but today is actually December the 28th. I'm going for my final ultrasound today, scan today. So it's going to be the last time that I'm ever going to see my baby girl through a machine. Oh my gosh, it's somewhat of a bittersweet moment. Yeah, if you guys think about how many scans I've done throughout this entire pregnancy, I mean, y'all know it hasn't been easy, but I am so happy that this is the last scan, the last and final scan. I'm actually going to my local hospital to do this scan, so it's not so bad. The induction is booked. The induction is booked as well. I don't even know if I updated you guys, but yeah, I did tell you I was going getting an induction quite early. So sorry if this is bumpy, but the road is not the greatest. Yeah, so the induction is booked. We're all ready to go. Whew. Yeah, so that's it. So anyways, I'll update you guys how this scan went. It's just one final scan because you know they have to keep an eye on me and all of that stuff. I'll let you guys know how that scan went anyways. They actually woke me up very early. My appointment was meant to be at 10:30. They rang me around 8:30. I was still in bed, and they said they've had like a lot of cancellations, and if I wanted to come in earlier I can. If I can come now, I was like, oh my gosh, I just woke up. She's like, oh, I'm so sorry for waking you up, but she's like, you know, just get ready and whenever you can make it, that's fine. So I got out of bed straight away, got ready, and I'm headed there. So which is good, it works out well for me. I'm glad I'm getting like an early appointment just to get it over with. So yeah, I'll update you guys once I'm back. I need to drink my hot chocolate, and I also got, y'all know I always buy these things, bacon and cheese turnover. Always so good. I'll see you guys after my appointment. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, so I am about to leave the hospital now. My scan was over in about 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding. It was over in 5 minutes. Everything looks okay. One update though is that my amniotic fluid is at normal range, but I guess that's because the baby is a lot bigger as well. She's measuring over 8 pounds now. She's measuring over 8 pounds, but the consultant, she did say that the scan at this stage, here we go, at 36 weeks is not always accurate because the baby is so big and the position that she's in is not really, it's hard for them to get the, you know, precise measurements. So we'll see. So for now it's like at 8 pounds 8 ounces she's at, but I don't know guys. It's one more thing that I'm worried about is she mentioned that the baby was head down, but her back is on like the left side, so she needs to be more like, she needs to be more in position like straight in the middle. She's not in the middle, she's a bit slanted. Yeah, we don't have much time left before the induction. Really, we don't have much time for her to change, so she's encouraged me to lie on my right side more, to encourage her to move, yeah, into position the way she should be. So oh my gosh, I'm hoping, because she's like, that would just prolong my labor, you know, because we're hoping like, yes, she will move and stuff like that. It just, so I'm hoping, y'all, because y'all know what I said about the whole C-section business. Like they said a lot of inductions ends in C-sections, and I hope that's not the case for me, just because of she not being where she should be. She's head down, but she's just not. Girl, we're gonna have a chat later. Anyways, I'm gonna get home, y'all, so that's the update I have for now. So I will catch you guys later. Thank you for shopping at Asda. Guys, I did not actually shop at Asda. Look at my trolley. My bags are right here and they're empty. Yeah, Asda is packed. It's actually New Year's Eve, it's 31st of December, and I actually came just to get a couple of stuff. and I did start, and I don't know, I put them back because when I first came here there was not even like any trolley available, and I had to wait. And then in there is like complete, hold on, don't knock me down, it's complete chaos in there. It's chaos. I don't like chaos. They have sale going on, that's why in there is so packed. I had no idea. I did not know that there was going to be any sale. I picked the worst day. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna head to B&M. Oh my gosh, I hope B&M don't have a bunch of people. I need to get a rug, so that's what I'm gonna go and do now. Yeah, let's go to B&M. Lord, I'm hoping that there is not packed with people. Let's go B&M. Okay, all right, y'all, we made it to B&M. In here is just so calm right now. Look at me, not a lot of folks in here. They have sales in here though, but you know, let me just stick to what I actually came for. Oh, you know, I actually need cushions as well. I didn't even bring in a trolley. Why didn't I bring a trolley? This looks so nice. I'm gonna get this on my bed. Just want one. I don't want too many. Cushion. Where's the price though? This one doesn't have the price on it. £10, okay. Should I go with this one? But everybody done feel up the one at the front. They don't have prices on the ones on the back. So I have to take the ones that everybody feel up. Y'all know my bed is gray and stuff, and I mostly have white sheets and stuff, and gray, like gray. But I don't want the one everybody feel up here. You know. Yay, this one has a price tag. Oh, this is nice. It's real nice. How much is this one? Oh, £10 for this too. And they have these ones, £8, but I don't want pink or anything. So it can be a come for a rug, you know, but so you know what? I need this as well, so why not? Well, they have these smaller ones, 2 for $12. So I can get, but I don't want small ones. If I buy these, it would have to be for the living room. Feel nice, and look how the cushion nice and thick. I love that. But yeah, I don't need that right now. Let's go look at the rugs, y'all. It's actually down this end. Yeah. I bet you they may have the one I want. Okay. I wanted gray. They have one gray. This looks nice. £45 is for it. How much is it? Was $45. Oh, it's $35 now. Oh. See? Yeah, it's nice and soft. Have a look. Yeah, so I'll get this one. I wish they had two. Let me see how big this one is. This one, is this the same? I think this is one I only have in my room. This one, is it a darker gray I usually have in my room though? I think so. How small is this though, y'all? Don't fall. Oh gosh, is it way smaller? This one is at the back. Let's see, this one looks like it's already oh gosh, guys, I am causing such a disaster here. This doesn't even make sense. Let me see how this look rolled out. Oh, now I wanted one bit bigger. No, this is too small, y'all. Yeah, this is too small. This is too small. I need like a medium size then. All right, people, I've got what I've come for. So I did buy the small one, and I bought the big one. I was hoping that they had at least 2 big ones, or maybe a big one and a medium one, but they've got big and they've got small. Guess there's no such thing as an in-between, because I don't see any. I didn't see any medium like in between. I got, because it's for the side of the bed. I wanted to change the ones that I have now because they get a bit flat. Yeah, and I've had them for a really long time. So yeah, and these ones more fluffy and soft. So guys, all we've been doing all weekend long, we're ringing in the new year, doing a lot of nesting. Yeah, that's what it is. So we've been like deep cleaning. We're throwing out old stuff. I've organized baby girls' clothes. They're all like folded away. I've even gotten into like organizing them, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I think I could fall in love with organizing. It looks so neat. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep it up, because you know, I've got socks in one thing, like I bought like storage, what you call it, things to put in the drawer. to like separate them and whatever. So I've done that, and I need to take down the car seat because obviously she's going to use the car seat that River had when he was a baby, because you know my big boy is a toddler now. So I need to wash the cover. I need to wash the car seat, so take that out, wash it, and I think I'll be done probably. We did get the bedside cot that just needs to be opened up. It's really easy to put up anyways, it's very simple. I might get Sean to do that tonight. I just wanted to save the space while we didn't really need it and all of that stuff, but yeah, this is how we're ringing in the new year, y'all. We're nesting, deep cleaning, doing all that jazz. We need to go to the dump tomorrow because we're getting rid of a few things. Yeah, wait, is the dump open on New Year's Day? I don't think the dump opens on New Year's Day. They say they open on all public holidays except Christmas. I'm pretty sure New Year's is one. Anyways, I'll sort it out. So now I need to go to the meat shop because I forgot to take something out to cook. So I'm just gonna go and get some fresh meat and go home and whip that up real quick. The weather is so bad, right? It's like raining. New Year's fireworks gonna get rain out. There'll be no fireworks. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna head inside now and get to cooking. Right guys, so I would say this is good as new. I just need to readjust these straps and put these parts in. These pieces were actually washed in the washing machine, and this strap needs to move from the very top all the way back down here because baby girl is gonna be so tiny. Oh my gosh. Here we go, y'all, all set up. There is like another piece that goes right here for between the legs, but I remember with River it was so big, poor thing, it couldn't like fit him properly. So I'll attach that maybe a bit later just to see, you know. But yeah, for now we're all set up. Look how new the car seat look. River sat in this for 1 year. This little boy sat in it for 1 year and it still looks good as new. Yeah guys, I'm actually about to set up my camera. I haven't vlogged them on my camera in so long, but I'm gonna go set it up now because I'm going to film what's in my hospital bag. So I've got the camera here,
even though it's really fun to be silly. Silly face.
Y'all hearing Miss Rachel, River's still there watching her. So I'm gonna set up my camera right here. Press play. Test, test, test. Put this one here.
If someone gives me a gift,
I think I probably need to center it more. Look at the quality on the camera. You see how different the color of the couch looks compared to the color in the backdrop. It's so crisp. Yeah, I could leave it like this. I think it's angled properly. I need to give River something to eat, and I'm gonna go have a little snack, y'all. It's after 12 now, so it should be his nap time. I ordered a tripod from Amazon for my phone, and I'm wondering when it's gonna get here because I actually wanted to film a short clip of what's in my hospital bag for TikTok as well, but I want to do it hands-free. And it's so annoying because I want to put River to bed now and start filming, because after I finish filming, by the time I finish filming, it'll be time for me to get ShéKayla and I have to edit this specific vlog for tomorrow. So annoying because I don't want to unpack everything again just to film the video for TikTok. Anyways, let me come give River something to eat and we'll catch up in a bit. Look how River does try things. Oh, too big. Give mama. Give mama. Give me. Bite it. We gotta try new things, you know. See guys, when he doesn't know what something is, he barely take a bite, and then if he likes it, his bites become bigger. River, I don't think you like this. Now don't waste my thing, you know. River is too picky. I'm telling you, a stranger cannot walk up to River and give him something random to eat because he ain't gonna eat it. I like that about him though. Could be a good and a bad thing, because then obviously we like him to try new things and he doesn't just jump to things and be like, He's like, and then he goes like this. Then if, you know, it reminds me of me. Because when my friends or whoever offer me something to taste, I'm like, I take small bites. I'm like this, like. Sean gets so annoyed at me. It's like, Sean, I bite the thing, no bite a bigger piece. I'm like, I can't bite a bigger piece because I don't know if I'm gonna like it and I don't want all that in my mouth. So maybe that's how River feel as well. You know? Yeah, I'm gonna put a bit of powder on my face. Change out to these clothes because I'm not gonna film the video in this shirt. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, like I curl my hair nice. I think I prefer it curly. I wasn't feeling the straight hair at all, so I curled it myself. Yeah, see me dipping it in the hot water and stuff like that, and I kind of like it. So not kind of, I do like it. Riv, hey, it's bedtime, nap time. Ready? Look at your hair. River, your hair needs to comb. River don't let me comb his hair no more. And say, if y'all see River hair looking wild in these videos, it's because he gives me so much trouble nowadays. From the moment River see the comb or the Vaseline or whatever, he's like this, and I haven't even touched him. I don't know. He's gonna get a haircut very, very soon. All right, let's go put River to bed. Rivy, come baby, it's nap time. Come on. Nap. It's nap time, come. Let's go. That's enough water. Come on. River, come up. It's nap time. Come. Don't play with me, you know. You see how he is. He knows it's nap time and he's looking at the TV, and I've paused it. River, look, here's your favorite blanket. Come and get your blanket and your passy. So he's gonna come for this because he's obsessed with this blanket. Come get your blanket. Come. No, come. River, you think you're slicking up? Come get up. Come here. Guys, this is the bedside cot, by the way. I've got it in this corner for now. I'm not gonna put it by the bed yet just because I need the space. Yeah, but I've made it up already. I put this sheet on the mattress already, and yeah, just ready and waiting, y'all. It's all set up. I am in the bathroom. I'm gonna get dressed in here. I'm putting on that black dress, by the way. So all I'm gonna do right now is get dressed. I'm gonna put on that dress first before I put on the powder on my face. I need to do my 37-week picture because every week I take pictures and videos. This is actually probably going to be the last vlog. Me having a family of 4. It's gonna be 5 the next time y'all see me active, like out and about and everything. I should have my baby girl with me, so things are never gonna be the same after this vlog, you know. Regardless, it's just crazy. This is like the final prep. This is the final prep where every single thing is like finally in place. The car seat is in place, the cot, her clothes are like, she's ready to move in. She's ready to move in. River's ready to be a big brother. ShéKayla is looking forward to meeting her little sister. Sean is gonna be a girl dad. Oh gosh, even though he wanted another boy, y'all remember, right? Sean wanted another boy. I would have been happy too with another boy, obviously, because then, you know, but I just can't wait, y'all. I cannot wait for her to just officially join our family. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, put the dress on. So yeah, I'm literally just touching up my face with a bit of powder, just this powder. My color that I use is, it's dark. This is dark mineralized skin finish. Yeah, natural. Or if I don't use this one, it's sometimes the NC50, like the Studio Fix. I don't feel like the foundation and all that jazz. I was going to do foundation and I'm like, I'm not in the mood. I feel so much lighter when I'm not wearing foundation. So yeah, I'm gonna go and film what's in my hospital bag. You guys will have to tune into that video on Sunday. If you're watching this vlog on Friday, big up to you. Don't miss a vlog when them drop, all right? Make sure y'all notification bell is turned on so you guys can watch the video in real time, you know? Today's January the 4th, by the way, so I'm hoping that you guys could get this vlog tomorrow, which is the 5th of January. I'm there thinking to myself, like, I hope that the birth and everything goes really, really quick. And I hope I'm gonna be able to film it for y'all. Because last time I didn't get to film any vlog, birth vlog for you guys because things went so fast. But hopefully, this time things can be different. This is the dress. Yeah, this is the dress. I have y'all in the bathroom. I don't have the stand for the phone, so it's like I can't even show you guys properly. But if you're following me on TikTok and Instagram, you probably you'd see me in the dress. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go film this video. Guys, I have just finished filming my... Oh, let's turn this off. I'm about to turn it off. So I've just finished filming the video. Look at my dress, look at my bum. Yeah, so I've just finished filming the what's in my hospital bag video. So hopefully you guys can tune into that. This is my hospital bag, y'all. So, and this is babies. I think I showed you guys before. And yeah, so I've just wrapped that up. Let me put my towel back on. So this is my hospital bag. Close that back up. I was just showing you guys, so make sure you tune in Sunday for that video. All right, okay. All right, y'all, the car seat is officially in the car. You know what, we're gonna put her, we're trying to see, right, if ShéKayla is gonna fit comfortable. We need to go and clean the car as well. Back here is dirty, so I might go to the car wash. But let me see how it looks. Wow, this is close. I was gonna put her in the middle to be right next to her brother, and then ShéKayla will have this seat. I'm gonna have to see. I'll test it out because I'm gonna go pick her up from school now, y'all. But yeah, the car seat is officially in the car. Yeah, y'all, I'm actually wearing Sean's jacket, right? It is just so surreal, y'all. Like, the car seat is in the car. Oh my gosh, the car seat is in the car. We're gonna have a baby, y'all. We're gonna have a baby. Oh my gosh, another baby. Oh my goodness, y'all. When I tell you that things are just, everything just feels bittersweet, you know. I've been looking at River and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss River. I'm gonna miss him. When I say miss him, it's like it's been just him by my side. You know, I was with him for an entire year before I went back to work. Obviously, I only went back to work for about 6 months, and now I'm back on leave again because I'm expecting baby girl. So it's like River and I have always been basically like joined at the hip, you know, and now she's joining the mix, so it will be no longer River and I, you know. And I'm trying to like, I love our cuddles. I love our cuddles, and every time that we get to spend together, yeah, just because I know things are going to change. It's just, it won't be just, he's no longer going to be the baby. Like, he's a toddler now, yes, because he's 1, but you know, we still look at him as our little baby. He's 18 going on to 19 months old, and it's just, that's my baby, y'all. Like, you know, River is just the sweetest ever, and he's so easy to manage, easy to deal with, and it just gives me hope, you know, like I said, that we're gonna have a smooth run, you know, with this 2 under 2 thing. Like, I just have to thank God that I was blessed with 2 good babies, because ShéKayla was great as well, River. So let's just see what number 3 brings. Hopefully she'll be nice, and I don't know, Gosh, guys, I've been trying to stay positive, right? Because, you know, if you watch previous vlogs before, and I talked about the whole surgery and, you know, the test that they're gonna do on her after birth, I think that's probably what I am most scared of, as well as the induction is coming up. And I have just been, I don't know, yeah, like I said, I'm just hoping for the best. I'm praying for the best, because don't even, you see, I just want her to be okay. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. But I'm okay, you know, like I said, I've been just staying positive, you know. I'm not trying to think about surgery or whatever, and I'm just hoping that, you know, what they suspect is nothing like that, and she'll be absolutely fine. But yeah, that's the only thing that worries me, you know. Obviously childbirth is a 50-50 thing, and you know, I think I do pretty good with pushing. But yeah, I just want her to be okay, y'all. And again, thank you all for the well wishes as always. Trust in the Lord, and whatever is to happen will happen, and you know, we'll deal with it. We'll deal with it. So yeah, I'm just hoping that we get to leave the hospital the very next day, y'all, together. Sean, our baby, and myself. I am praying that we'll be discharged. ShéKayla's calling. Kayla, I'm 5 minutes away.
And it's raining.
Yeah, I know, but you come out early, Kayla. You don't normally come out on time.
I do come out.
No, you don't. Every day when I'm there waiting for you, you're never outside. But I'm just 5 minutes away. All right, I'll be there in 5, okay? All right. Yeah, so just hope that we get discharged the very next day. And I can't wait to see what River is going to be like with her. I can't wait to see ShéKayla's reaction to her baby sister. I just can't wait to see Sean being a girl dad, you know, holding his baby girl for the first time. I'm looking forward to having him with me in the hospital to support me, and you know, when we come home, just to see how he is with her, because you know, he met River when River was 2 months old, but he did great. He fell into that role with ease, and it was just awesome, and he's awesome. So my whole family is awesome, y'all. We're about to be a family of 5. Take away the tears. We good. I am going to just stay positive, yes. But yeah, family of 5. The next vlogs coming. Family of 5. Oh my gosh. Make sure you guys tune into the labor and delivery vlog as well. Hopefully we get to capture every single moment, and I just hope so, because I've never gotten a chance to capture anything in my previous pregnancies, in my previous labor and delivery and everything. So just stay tuned for that, you know. And yeah, oh gosh. All right guys, I am going to end the vlog right here, and because I've been chatting for way too long, so I will catch you guys in the next one. You don't want to miss the next vlog. Obviously the hospital, what's in my hospital bag is coming up on Sunday, but after that you don't want to miss the next vlog. All right, So make sure you guys stay tuned, make sure you turn your post notifications on, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because sometimes Instagram and TikTok know things before you guys do, because it's like real time, you know. I can just take a picture one day and just upload it to Instagram or whatever, whereas YouTube, it's just, yeah, I don't know, with the vlogs and stuff, takes a while to edit and that. So follow me on Instagram, guys, SK same name on TikTok, and yeah, keep up with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, love you guys as always. Take care of yourself and your family. Love you guys, and wishing you guys all the best for this 2024. All right, guys.